Hello guys, my name is Isan Raman. Today I will tell you about a IR sensor. It is used in various projects and I will tell you how it is used and how it transmits its light and what it can do. Guys, this is the IR sensor diagram. There is two LEDs, a transmitter and a receiver, and this is for the range adjustment. It has two terminals, GND, VCC and one output. Transmitters emit infrared radiations, and when the infrared radiations hit any object, it will come back and receives to the receiver. And we can increase the range with this, and we can do with a screwdriver. See the circuit diagram of the sensor. This terminal is connected to the positive one and to the negative one, and we have connected to negative to the output and positive to the positive terminal. We have to use a 3.7 watt to 9 watt battery. Used a 9 watt battery and a buzzer in the output, and you can see the purple rays from the transmitter. It is the infrared radiations that is emitted from the sensor. We can't see the radiations from our eyes, but we can see it with the camera, and when it hit the any object, it bounces back and receives in the black LED.